When you're pregnant, one of the first things you think about buying, not the most exciting thing, but definitely an important thing, is a car seat. Because the way it goes is once you leave the hospital, if that's where you deliver your baby, you have to take your baby home in something. And it can't be a backpack or a stork or a swaddle blanket. You actually need an official car seat. Now, I had a home birth, so that actually didn't apply for me, although I was prepared for the hospital birth. But for everyone else, this is one of the first things you're going to have and install and get really excited about. And then once you actually have a baby and baby goes in the car seat, you realize they get really dirty. They drool all over everything. Accidents happen in there. Oh my gosh, mine has seen a lot. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your car seat. And just a quick reminder, if you haven't done so already, to subscribe to the Clean My Space channel and give this video a thumbs up if you are excited that we are finally doing baby gear cleaning videos here at Clean My Space. I happen to have the UPPAbaby Mesa and I love it, so that's what I'm going to be using in this video. However, the same general principles are going to apply for most car seats. The most important thing is to make sure that you either check the manufacturer's website so you can see exactly the step-by-steps on how to do it, but this will give you a pretty good idea, or you can check the instruction manual that came with your particular car seat. The most important thing is to do it properly and not hack or make up your own way to do it, because safety is key when it comes to car seats. I did a little bit of research ahead of time to learn exactly how to break down the Mesa, and I recommend that you do the same for whatever car seat you have. It will take you a little bit of time to familiarize yourself with your car seat so that way you can easily disassemble it for cleaning. But mine assembles and disassembles with these little clips that fit underneath the edge of the car seat, so once I figured that part out, I was golden. Essentially, you want to remove everything right down to the straps, and you want to leave any and all foam in place. Mine happens to be machine washable. Please read the fabric care label on yours and see if yours is. I'm using gentle detergent, a gentle cycle, and cold water. I'm also not using any stain removers or any laundry additives here. Now to clean the straps, because they can't be removed, I've got a bowl with some water, a little bit of laundry detergent in that smaller container, and a cleaning toothbrush, and of course a microfiber cloth, because you guys know I'm all about the microfiber. I use the toothbrush to scrub any of those areas. I know where Riley's chewing and drooling, so I know what I have to clean. She has also pooped on the straps. That's what I was smelling. So I give them a good little scrub, rinse them with the microfiber cloth, and then I look for any other areas around the car seat that need to be cleaned, including the interior, as well as this canopy over here. And I'm just scrubbing with the little toothbrush, rinsing with the water and the microfiber cloth. You can give the entire exterior a nice, good, thorough wipe down. I also wipe down the plastic parts because Riley honestly gets everything in her mouth, so I want to make sure it's C-L-E-A-N, if you know what I mean. Once the cycle was over for the components that were machine washable, I just took out my laundry drying rack and popped everything on there. I have done this so many times now, and I can tell you these dry within hours. And that's good because, you know, I have places to go and people to see and a baby to take with me. And of course, you'll have to put Humpty Dumpty back together again. This will take you a little bit of time to figure out on your first go, but by your third or fourth time, you're gonna be a pro. Trust me, you build confidence with this stuff. I can't stress the importance of following the instructions to the letter and making sure that you use the right detergents, heat settings, and dryer settings or drying techniques for your car seat, because you're carrying precious cargo. I know it's so cheesy, but honestly, look at this baby. Even Riley says, guys, clean your car seat and do it properly. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and I'd love to know in the comments down below, what other baby gear cleaning questions do you have? I have some other ideas of videos I'm going to make. Stroller is coming right around the corner, so stay tuned for that, but let me know your questions in the comments. Here are a couple of other videos I think you're going to love, and if you want to learn more about Maker's Clean Microfiber Cloths, you can click this button that Riley's looking at right over here. There's a button down there that lets me know you care, so click it if you liked this video, and click this button right here to subscribe and begin your journey to a cleaner life. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.